The days of the week. The days of the week. Jou semen lan yo. Jou semen lan yo. What day is it today? What day is it today? Ki jou jodi a ye. Ki jou jodi a ye. The week has 7 days. The week has 7 days. Semen lan gen 7 jou. Semen lan gen 7 jou. Monday. Monday. Lundi. Lundi. Tuesday. Tuesday. Mardi. Mardi. Wednesday. Wednesday. Mercredi. Mercredi. Thursday. Thursday. Jeudi. Jeudi. Friday. Friday. Vendredi. Vendredi. Saturday. Saturday. Samedi. Samedi. Sunday. Sunday. Dimanche. Dimanche. For many people, the first day is Monday. 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 Pour un pile moun, premier jour c'est lundi. Pour un pile moun, premier jour c'est lundi. For many others, the first day is Sunday. For many others, the first day is Sunday. Pour un pilote, premier jour c'est dimanche. Pour un pilote, premier jour c'est dimanche. The week. The week. Semaine lan. Semaine lan. The first day is Monday. The first day is Monday. Premier jour c'est lundi. Premier jour c'est lundi. The second day is Tuesday. The second day is Tuesday. Deuxième jour c'est mardi. Deuxième jour c'est mardi. From Monday to Friday. From Monday to Friday. From Monday to Friday. Soti lundi pour rive vendredi. Soti lundi pour rive vendredi. The third day is Wednesday. The third day is Wednesday. Troisième jour c'est mercredi. Troisième jour c'est mercredi. The fourth day is Thursday. The fourth day is Thursday. The fourth day is Thursday. Quatrième jour c'est jeudi. Quatrième jour c'est jeudi. The fifth day is Friday. The fifth day is Friday. Cinquième jour c'est vendredi. Cinquième jour c'est vendredi. The sixth day is Saturday. The sixth day is Saturday. Sixième jour c'est samedi. Sixième jour c'est samedi. The seventh day is Sunday. The seventh day is Sunday. Septième jour c'est dimanche. Septième jour c'est dimanche. The weekdays are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The weekdays are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Jou pou travay yo se lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi ak vendredi. Jou pou travay yo se lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi ak vendredi. The weekend has 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. The weekend has 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Weekend lan gen 2 jou, samedi et dimanche. Weekend lan gen 2 jou, samedi et dimanche. I go to school from Monday to Friday. I go to school from Monday to Friday. Mwen al l'ekol soti lundi pou rive vendredi. Mwen al l'ekol soti lundi pou rive vendredi. On Saturdays, I go to the beach. On Saturdays, I go to the beach. Le samedi, mwen al nan plage. Le samedi, mwen al nan plage. I go to church on Sundays. I go to church on Sundays. Ma l'église le dimanche. Ma l'église le dimanche. The day before yesterday. The day before yesterday. Avant-hier. Avant-hier. Yesterday. Yesterday. Hier. 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 Today. Today. Jodia. Jodia. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Demain. Demain. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning. Demain matin. Demain matin. Tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow afternoon. Demain après-midi. Demain après-midi. Tomorrow night. Tomorrow night. Demain soir. Demain soir. This morning. This morning. Matin. Matin. This afternoon. This afternoon. Après-midi. Après-midi. This evening. This evening. Après-midi. Après-midi. Tonight. Tonight. Asweya. Asweya. The day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow. Après-demain. Après-demain. If today is Monday, what day was it yesterday? If today is Monday, what day was it yesterday? Si jodia c'est lundi, qui jour hier t'ayé? Si jodia c'est lundi, qui jour hier t'ayé? Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. Hier t'es dimanche. Hier t'es dimanche. If today is Monday, what day will it be tomorrow? If today is Monday, what day will it be tomorrow? Si jodia c'est lundi, qui jour demain pralier? Si jodia c'est lundi, qui jour demain pralier? Tomorrow is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Demain c'est mardi. Demain c'est mardi. Last week. Last week. Semaine passée. Semaine passée. Semaine passée. Next week. Next week. Semaine k'ap venir. Semaine k'ap venir. Every day. Every day. Chaque jour. Chaque jour. On Sunday. On Sunday. Nan dimanche. Nan dimanche. What is your favorite day? What is your favorite day? Qui jour préféré ou? Qui jour préféré ou? My favorite day is Sunday. My favorite day is Sunday. Jour préféré c'est dimanche. Jour préféré c'est dimanche. In 5 days. In 5 days. Nan 5 jours. Nan 5 jours. One day at a time. One day at a time. One day at a time. Yon jour à la fois. Yon jour à la fois. Yon jour à la fois. One day at a time. Yon jour à la fois.